Well, it's been a long time, hasn't it? When's the last time I uploaded on this channel? Like 2 years? Anyways, today, we've got a good one. We finally found some free time, man. We're taking a little trip into Manhattan. We're going to ride the Roosevelt Island tram. I've never read it before, but we're gonna check it out. So, we're gonna be taking the 5 all the way down 42nd Street. And we're gonna be taking the F to Roosevelt Island and get off the tram. Let's see where we go from there. Yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, that's not even the route I took. I mean, I actually took the 5 train to the 4 train to the B train to the M, I believe. Because, you know, there's a lot of service changes. The F was running on the M, the F was running on the G, the M was running on the F. MTA Shenanigans in full force. Anyways, yeah, that's what happened. So I'm about to tap into this system right now.
It's been a while since I've done this.
This is a Manhattan-bound 5 local train. The next stop is Manchester Avenue.
Apparently, I forgot to, record my audio with my mic, so there's no sound here. So you're gonna have to listen to my beautiful voice for the next couple of minutes. Here we are pulling into Manchester Avenue. I was struggling to get the camera to focus because the window was so fucking dirty. So I went over to check this window, same dirtiness, went back and forth and back and forth. I couldn't get it to focus for like the first couple of minutes. So we're about to pull into Gun Hill Road. Now we're going to Pelham Parkway. Then after Pelham Parkway, we pulled into Morris Park, as we're going right now. We're gonna be trying to stabilize the gimbal, but here's Morris Park. Going back outside. Next up, after Morris Park, was East 180th Street. Kind of a slog. There was a bunch of delays on the line. They were doing track work. We gotta go by some MTA employees. We were slow. We were going to a crawl. That's how slow we were going. See, we're just standing here waiting for the train to move. We were delayed. Now we're pulling into the yard. We got lots of standby 2 and 5 trains. We got some old trains in the back, real vintage stuff. Now we're pulling into East 180th Street in 3, 2, 1. If you don't know, this is real close proximity to the Bronx Zoo. It's right outside of it. Now we're going to 174th Street. Nope. West Farm Square, East Tremont Avenue is where we're going. This is... Wow, look, I still can't even get the camera to focus. That's how long I've been trying to get it to focus. Alright, next up. For West Farm Square, East Tremont Avenue is 174th Street. There's an express 5 train going the opposite direction. And we're at a Cube Smart. Nope. Nope. It's another 2 train. This is 174th Street. I'm gonna leave in the station. Let's keep moving. We're going by Western Beef. Clean Right Center. Zooming in on that bus. Got a 5 below. We're at Simpson Street now. And then Freeman Street is next. Got him. It's Intervale Avenue, then Freeman Street, then Jackson Avenue, then Prospect Avenue, Jackson Avenue, 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. Right, it's Prospect Avenue, Jackson Avenue, which I used to work down here actually. You know, there's a little place, I don't know if you'll see it on camera, but it's about past it. We just passed it. You can't see it, it's blocked by the train, but I used to work down in the, I don't work there anymore, but I used to. Here's 3rd Ave, 149th. They were about to go over to 149th Grand Concourse to catch the 4. Now my audio was broken this whole time too. I don't know, my mic was working just fine, but when I put in my headphones, it stopped working. So I guess I know for next time. Now here I was trying to tell you that we're getting off the 5 train, transferring over to the 4 train. I had to walk up the steps, but apparently my mic wasn't working, so here. We're walking from the 2 and the 5 train, going up the stairs, getting looked at by a bunch of people, but you know, you can't focus on that. So I was walking through the passageway to go up to the 4 train, and you know, I'm walking past a bunch of people. Now you're about to see again that the 4 train was delayed. Every single time I try to make a video like this, I run into delays. I run into... I must have bad luck. That's why I don't make these types of videos anymore. But we're walking up the stairs onto the town 4 train platform. We got a few minutes for the 4 train. Here's one in the platform. Got me running in, rushing for nothing because it's gonna be here for like 5 minutes. So I'll just cut to when we start moving.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one.
We're gonna see if we can catch 8 to 11. So hopefully today's different. But that's the pin I'm trying to get. Give me that over here, please. I guess I caught one, but you know, not on my side. That's not what I meant. I actually want to catch one, like ride one. All right. One minute to my train. If it's a 211, I'm gonna ride it all the way down to Westport. If not, I'm gonna ride it to 125th and then take the A to Westport. Maybe we're gonna get on this F train regardless. So that's the only way I can get to Roosevelt Island, right? I gotta take the F. So depending on what train we get here, it's the way I'm gonna get down there.
Shit, I've been spotted and I didn't even notice. She really got me.
It's gonna be coming right now. Fucking 68. Well, I lost this time, so we're only gonna take this down to 125th. I guess my luck has changed because I was able to find a 140 or 211B train after all. So we're gonna ride this all the way down Westport and switch to the F. Got to 125th. I get to lose my time on the train by myself. Only got it for one stop, but it's fine. Ooh, shit threw me.
The Brooklyn-bound B train. The next stop is 168th Street. Brooklyn-bound B train. The next stop is Cathedral Parkway, 110th Street. Cathedral Parkway, 110th Street. B train. The next stop is 103rd Street. Roosevelt B train. The next stop is 96th Street.
And clear the closing doors, please.
Wait a minute, can't tell if I like you. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
This is a Brooklyn-bound B train. The next stop is 86th Street.
Clear the closing doors, please.
Transfer to the M86 Select Bus Service.
Keep coming with it.
Here I just checked. Yep. Apparently, the F not going along Roosevelt Island, so I decided right here to make the choice to switch trains. I'm going to the M.
I'm gonna go to Westport. Well, that's the F train goes that way before it gets to Roosevelt Island. Then we'll go to Westport. But that's the we'll go to Westport. Never stop.
We're actually going to get off at 47th 50th Street, Rockefeller Center. I mean, because right there it's like 2 stops to Roosevelt Island.
Closing doors, please.
Roosevelt B train. Next stop is 47th 50th Street, Rockefeller Center.
And clear the closing doors, please.
Rockefeller Center. And we're going on the F right now. That's where we're going right now, on the F train.
No, we're not. Because of this right here.
I know I said I was taking the F, but apparently today the F is going via the G and the M is going via the F. So we're taking the M instead of the F, but it's fine. Looks like they finally made it. I mean, the one time The one time I decided to do something like this, that's when they switched the lines around. When else the M ever ran on the F and the F ran on the G? I mean, come on. Oh, no, it's not looking. Of course it was.
I heard we had a big rainstorm.
Oh, lucky what it is. I'm gonna take a little break, then I'll come back. Picked up a little Starbucks. I'm gonna eat this and we're gonna go to the tram. So I decided to do a little bit of walking on the island and I came across this bus. It's called the Red Bus, the Roosevelt Island Shuttle. I've never tried it before, so we're gonna ride this back down to the tramway and we're gonna get on the tram.
carts used for disabilities and those traveling with small children. If you are occupying a priority seat, we kindly ask that you offer it to someone who may need it. Thank you for your cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Roosevelt Island Tramway. We will be departing shortly. Please stand clear of the closing doors and hold on to the handrails. Thank you for riding with us. We are now arriving at Manhattan Station. Please stand clear of the doors until they're fully opened and watch your step as you exit. Thank you for riding the Roosevelt Island Tramway and have a great day.
Hey, what is up?
This tram station is not a transfer point.
Just another day and
Return
another
to
dollar
your
bill.
original
A dollar
destination.
bill. Just count it up. Another win. Can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a click for my luck. My seats island in a leg and I love it. Got it, yeah, I got the swing.
Alright, that was nice. Now I guess I'll find a bathroom and then catch up with you again on the A train. It was a nice little ride. I mean, if you haven't done it before, go ahead. It's just something to try. Alright, I'll catch you in a few minutes. Okay, so we came to Fulton Street. It's facing the correct direction. We came out of Fulton Street because I'm making another stop today. I had to take the tram into Manhattan. Because now I'm taking the A all the way down into Queens. I just missed that A train, but it wasn't going where I was going anyway, so I gotta wait for the next one to come. Hopefully that one is also a 211, but I'll be fine with the 79 as well. I'll see you in like 5 minutes.
This is 80th Street.
Some days I got no
If you haven't guessed by now where we're going.
This is the Far Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is 88th Street.
There's your answer. We're going all the way down to Far Rock.
Closing doors, please.
This is 88th Street.
I said to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm
This is
free.
the Far Rockaway bound
Misery
A
is a
train.
show we
The
stay
next stop
bad
is
company.
Rockaway Boulevard.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Foolish notions.
Rockaway Boulevard. Transfer is available. The A train to Southwest Boulevard. Transfer to 252 and 253. Select bus services. This is the Far Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is Aqueduct North Conduit.
The going got tough, but the tough got some love.
Wow, there's a lot of trees alongside the rails here.
This is Aqueduct North Conduit.
Attention everyone, if you wish to connect to the JFK Air train, you must stay on this train and get off at the Howard Beach JFK station.
Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is Howard Beach JFK Airport.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Howard Beach JFK Airport. Connection is available to the air train to JFK Airport. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform. This is the Far Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is Broad Channel.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Seems that.
This is Broad Channel. Transfer is available to the Shuttle Taxi A train to Rockaway Park.
No, speaking of shuttle, there's one right here.
This is the Far Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is Beach 67th Street.
Beach 67th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Look at that. He actually caught a plane taking off from JFK.
This is Beach 67th Street. Transfer to the Q52 for West Bus Service. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
Right in front of the, what the don't pull up me. Turn back around. I wanted to see the nice mirror with the camera on me. Like, get out of the way, Adrian. I'm trying to see that mirror.
This is Beach 60th Street. Attention everyone, there are over 150 accessible subway stations. Please check MTA.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at this station.
Still off by 300.
This is the Far Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is Beach 44th Street.
Nice cool scene. Yeah. Ooh, bus ball.
This is Beach 44th Street.
French fry.
This is the Far Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is Beach 36th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Beach 36th Street. Rockaway bound A train. The next stop is Beach 26th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Almost there.
This is Beach 26th Street.
And that's 5.
This is a Far Rockaway bound A train. The next and last stop is Far Rockaway.
Stand clear of the
That
closing doors,
soundbite. It's
please.
supposed to be Far Rockaway, Mont Avenue, but for some reason they chopped out Mont Ave.
This is Far Rockaway. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
Why did
This
they cut
is
out
an
Mont Ave?
accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
Yeah, something's definitely missing. They changed that announcement since the last time I've been down here. But then again, I wouldn't know that since the last time I've been down here I was on R46 on the 211. And by the way, where is it? I just saw it. It's in the trees. That's number 7. Fuck me. What's that? Where is it? We were able to see for like a second, but you know, it's there somewhere. That's it. I'm about ready to get off the train, but we can't get off the train because the doors are stuck again. I guess not. Somehow we weren't all the way in the station. What was blocking us? Who knows? But yeah, we're out. I spent way too long out here, man. I really need to hurry up, pull into the station so I can get off this damn train. Alright.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone,
That took like an hour and a half longer than it should have. I'm done. I'm not gonna make y'all go all the way back with me, so yeah. I guess I'll see whenever I make another video, which might be in a couple months, maybe a week, who knows. I'll see you there. Bye.